In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for creating pros and cons lists. This is a simple way to compare options and make better decisions. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a pros and cons list. For example, I might type, "Give me the pros and cons of working remotely." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a list of advantages and disadvantages based on the topic I provided. If I want a more detailed comparison, I can include more context in my prompt, such as the specific situation or criteria. For example, I might type, "Give me the pros and cons of buying a car versus using public transportation." Claude can also organize the list in a clear format, making it easier to review and compare options. Once the list is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to help with decision-making. And that's it, I've successfully used Claude AI to create a pros and cons list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.